Leetcode solution, remove duplicates. Learn how to solve the Leetcode problem, remove duplicates from sorted array using Python. This video explains each step in detail, making it easy for beginners to grasp and apply efficiently. First, let's clearly state the problem we are solving. The array is provided already sorted in a non-decreasing order, which means any duplicate numbers appear right next to each other. We need to modify the array directly without creating extra arrays to remove duplicates. After making these modifications, the first set of numbers in our array should consist of unique values only. The returned result should indicate the count or length of these unique entries. Notice that the leftover elements in the array do not matter and can contain anything after the unique ones. We'll go through two examples to demonstrate clearly how the final array will look. Now let's write our Python function that solves this problem. We begin by handling the edge case. If the input array is empty, we simply return 0 because there are no elements. Then we introduce the unique pointer variable, initially set to 0, and this pointer keeps track of where our unique elements are stored. Next, we loop through the list starting from the second element because the first one will always be a unique element. As we iterate, we check each current number compared against the number stored at our unique pointer position. If it's a new number and doesn't match, we increment the unique pointer by 1 and store the new unique value at this position. At the end, the return value is the count of unique elements, which is simply unique pointer plus 1, because indices start from 0. Let's now test our solution with a simple practical example, matching example 2 from the problem description. First, we take the example array 001112334. We run our function remove duplicates on this array and store the result in K. Afterward, we print the resulting unique count and the modified array up to the number K. The print statement shows us clearly how our algorithm has modified the array to keep only unique elements and how it returns the correct count of these unique elements. This test successfully matches the expected output from the provided example and demonstrates the validity of our solution. One crucial aspect when dealing with Leetcode problems and coding interviews is understanding clearly the efficiency of our solutions. Let's now discuss the complexities of our solution. The time complexity of our algorithm is O(n), which means that it only requires a single iteration through the entire list once, where n denotes the number of elements in the input array. Therefore, our method is highly time efficient. Regarding space complexity, our solution is very optimal as well. It does not require any additional arrays or significant data structures. Modifications are made in place. Thus, the space complexity is O(1), which indicates constant additional space regardless of the input size. These qualities make our solution ideal for real-world applications where efficient use of time and memory are necessary factors. You've now learned an efficient Python solution to the Leetcode problem, remove duplicates from sorted array. This solution uses in-place operations with optimal time and space complexity, making it highly effective for coding interviews and everyday coding problems. Practice more problems to strengthen your skills.